What is MRA of hand? MRA, magnetic resonance angiography, is a specialized type of MRI scan that focuses on blood vessels, the vascular system. When the blood vessels of the hand need to be examined, an MRA of the hand is performed. It is a non-invasive imaging technique that does not use X-rays or ionizing radiation. Sometimes a contrast dye, gadolinium-based contrast, is used to make the blood vessels more visible. Why is MRA of hand done? This test is performed to detect abnormalities in the blood vessels of the hand, such as 1. Vascular occlusion or blockage, checking if there is any obstruction in the vessels. 2. Arterial injury or trauma, to see if arteries are damaged after an accident or injury. 3. Aneurysm, abnormal bulging of a blood vessel. 4. Arteriovenous malformation, AVM, abnormal connection between arteries and veins. 5. Raynaud's disease or vascular insufficiency, reduced blood flow to the hand, especially in cold conditions. 6. Pre-surgical planning, to map the vessels before surgery. How is it done? 1. The patient is placed inside an MRI scanner. 2. The hand is positioned and kept still. 3. Contrast injection, if needed, may be given. 4. Images are taken in different sequences to visualize arteries and veins clearly. What can it show? The location, structure, and diameter of arteries and veins. Presence of blockages or narrowing. Blood flow direction and speed. Whether tissues of the hand are receiving proper blood supply. Advantages: non-invasive, no surgery required, no radiation exposure, unlike CT scan or X-ray, provides clear visualization of arteries and veins, useful for surgical planning and diagnosis. Limitations: contrast dye may cause allergic reactions or kidney-related issues. Not ideal for patients with claustrophobia, fear of enclosed spaces. People with metal implants, pacemaker, metal plates, etc., may not be suitable for MRI. In summary, MRA of the hand is an advanced imaging test to visualize the blood vessels, helping detect blockages, injuries, or other vascular problems, and plays an important role in treatment planning.